Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an Apple developer account and App Store Connect permissions. This matters because uploads require a team role. Once that's ready, make sure your bundle identifier and signing match the App Store entry. Increase the build number so uploads register as new, then choose generic iOS device and archive from product. This creates a distributable Xarchive that Xcode uses. Make sure the archive succeeds with no signing errors. Otherwise, stop and resolve provisioning before continuing. Open the organizer, select your archive, and click Distribute App so the process walks you through validation. Choose App Store Connect as the destination and pick Upload. Xcode validates symbols, signing, and minimal metadata automatically. Provide export compliance answers and attach encryption details if prompted, because incorrect answers block processing. Once Xcode finishes uploads and shows success, close Organizer. If there are warnings about missing icons or entitlements, fix them and re-archive. Warnings: after upload, go to App Store Connect and find your app's Testflight tab. Processing can take minutes to an hour, so be patient. Once the build processes, add internal or external testers, fill out test notes, and supply any beta app review info so external testing can begin. Make sure your build meets entitlements and privacy requirements, otherwise the beta review will block it. If processing stalls, the one key troubleshooting step is to re-upload with an incremented build number. This often clears transient processing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.